Okay, so here we have an amethyst, and she found it underneath a porch. So as you can see, I know, cool. And so you can see the facets for some reason are ground down. I think that was the original design, but who knows. But whatever it is, I'm going to do my best to get as close without touching the metal. And so I'm using the diamond in medium. I think that should be enough, but we'll see. So I have it, I have the diamond on medium. And so I'm just going to hold it with such a fine little, and see what happens. Oh wow, I think I should have gone heavier. It's hard, and well, it's very pitted. It's very, wow, I didn't expect those pits. So you can see where it's shining and where it's still pitted. So I'm gonna go a little coarser, right? Yeah, I'm gonna have to cut some off.
That's an old ring.
Yeah, so let's go ahead and go really coarse.
You know, the setting looks like it could be Victorian.
Yes, it does. I'm with you on this one.
You know, I live in an 1910 house, and it looks like somebody had pushed it under.
So we ground
under
it
the porch.
Maybe somebody
hit it.
threw it under there.
Yeah.
You never know. What if
or
someone?
It was a kid, you know, that.
Or someone lost it, and over the years
But
it just
I
got
just reached
kicked.
in the door. I just reached in the door and was looking, and I thought, and I found that, and I can't remember what else I found. Oh, you did?
Oh wow! Yeah, I should have ground some more. Oh my god! I didn't realize the pits go that far. I didn't want to grind anymore, but I think I still have to. Wow.
As long
Okay.
as you don't hit the
No, I'm not
setting.
hitting the
Yeah.
setting. No. Dear Lord, I didn't want to go that far, but I'm gonna have to. Let me hit a. You get a.
It's been there a long time.
Yeah, it has. It really has. Let me try to find.
You know, and I know that it's either platinum or white gold because it hasn't tarnished.
Well, if it hadn't tarnished, it's got to be one of the two.
Yeah, it hasn't tarnished. It is one of the two. I just can't tell because it's pretty.
I always wanted to just restore it. I just thought, what a tale it is. We've lived in our house for 27 years, so it's been there.
That story is just a tell.
So okay, so I think I got it down pretty good. So we're pretty good. So we're here. Yeah, so we're here. We got the coarse.
Well, we'll send it out to you.
Yeah. How awesome. Okay, so now we're hitting. Okay, so there we go. Now we're talking. Oh, really? Okay, so I've gone ahead and pretty much ground everything I could think of down. Let me just make sure I got it all down. We're good. Okay, so now we got all the scratches down. So I'm at the coarse, and I'm gonna hit it with the medium.
California. He's good things.
Beautiful. You can see it's getting finer and finer. So let me get into the details. Okay, I'm almost done. This is the worst case. Okay, so here we are. Let me give it one nice little pass to make sure I got all the scratch pattern off. Maybe where it's pressure diamond. alignment all week. And I think we're good. So we're at this level. Wow.
They changed it a lot.
Yeah.
They still got a lot
Oh, yeah. No. The pits in the center, that's as good as I'm going to get it right now. I'm scared. I don't... Yeah, I don't want to... Well, because the more I grind down, the more I'm getting near the
the
prongs.
Yeah.
So I just want to make sure I'm... Yes, exactly. I don't want to kill my clearance. And so, but you can still see there are still some scratches in the center, but what can we do? It is what it is.
It's rough on it.
Very rough, but it's okay. This is way
Amethysts
better.
are that way. They don't. Especially if,
Amethysts do.
if there's a chemical on them or something.
Oh, really?
I had an old Victorian ring that I found under my porch. And so she's polishing it up. It was cloudy. You couldn't see anything.
Yeah, I have the before and after, so we're pretty much there. Pretty good, huh?
Yeah.
So I just gotta get into all those little... That's a good guess. It's hard. Gotta get around those prongs. Okay, you can take care of them, yeah. If you want, you can take care of them, Yarrow. I don't need this.
We'll be back with a significant other.
Okay, so we're here. Let me just move to... Okay, so here we go. What does he do in Montana? Alright, so we're here.
Yes, you are. It's coming for dinner.
I'll see you in a bit.
Okay, so this is very fine. Wow, so cool. And this is the very fine wheel. And so now we'll see. So we'll have that finished right there. So it's not so bad. We should show them. I think we're okay with the rest. Yeah, wow. You see that, Yarrow? Okay, see that?
Yeah.
Wow, I can see through it. Okay, so now I'm going to switch gears. So I'm at the very fine. And so I'm going to use like the 8,000. I think I'm going to skip the 3,000. I can do 3,000, but I think I'm going to do the 8,000 and then hit the 50,000. Let me just test that out. So I run it at slower speed. Oh, wow.
Ooh.
It's not even the 50,000. Wow.
How much is that?
Oh, it was all. She found it underneath her porch.
I live in a 100-year-old house.
Yeah. So this is some cool things that.
Yeah.
Oh, I didn't see you could see it up
I used to do
there.
it for
She pointed it up
5
there.
years every weekend with my dad. Since I used to have a photograph in memory.
Okay,
I can
so
remember everything.
go ahead and see where we're at right now. And so I'm gonna hit it with the 50,000, and you'll see what happens. Oh, it's gorgeous.
Wow, that's good.
Wow, looks really good. So that was the 8,000 grit, and now I have to use 50,000. The secret is finding the 50,000. Here, Jesus, it's like a disaster around here. Disaster.
Well, there's a 50,000.
Oh, perfect.
There it says painted by hand.
So this is 50,000.
Tish used to do that. She
There you go.
stopped
Oh, yeah. You don't
Oh
feel
wow!
it. It just feels
it's
like
polishing. It's like one of those things that you polish your fingernails with.
yes, like yes, yeah. Oh, it's
Exactly. I had an opal. That was my aunt's. That was really cloudy like that, and it was just round. It didn't have any faceting. I
So you
polished
see
it up
that.
with my
Actually, I was able to-
4-way polishing tool.
get my rings. I found my dad's house.
That'll
My in the 70s, we used to go up and so are you guys located in Tucson?
Cool.
Where?
That's all right.
Okay, so
I just have your business cards.
Go ahead and take a look at this, Yarrow. So,
If you ever go to the SEMA show, we'll be there too.
Yeah, that's fine. Thank you. Have a good day.
Thank you
thank you.
too.
Can you this direction, Yarrow? This one with you. Yeah, this is better light. Right here. So,
Looks a lot
Pretty.
better.
yeah, so right here I took those pits out and I was able to polish as close as I could to the edges.
Beautiful.
Wow.
Yeah, isn't that gorgeous? Isn't that pretty?
For a found item.
Found item Victorian she found, and you can hit it with the cerium oxide, but I'm telling you, it's just fine. The way I sometimes I like the 50,000 finish. It's really, really pretty. And so that was done. It took me 11 minutes to do that. And I think the first 2 minutes was me trying to figure out which abrasive to use. You know, after what, but other than that, it's pretty. You want to take a picture? Yeah.
It does kind of look Victorian.
Oh, that's gorgeous. It's a gorgeous piece.
Yeah. So like, look at this is the piece. Yeah, it's like very
What is it?
Victorian, and even the shank is like broken.
Yeah.
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 They
so
warmed-
stop it.
they
Oh, so
warmed
wait,
so
let me show.
long,
Let me
yeah.
tell everybody. Okay, so this was polished on the JOOLTOOL. We're gonna say, what did you do it on?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we were here at the live from the Tucson show, and this lovely lady brought it, and this was her ring. She found it, and if you like what you saw, you can buy it on JOOLTOOL.com or just like the video and subscribe for more cool videos like this.